in Kana Math classes for 12th Maths CBSE board based on NCERT syllabus. I always emphasize and try to direct you to solve the integrals not on the memorized system of the formula, but based on the fundamental derivation of the formula. I always try to integrate the integrals not by formula directly, but in the derivation form of the formula we try to integrate the integrals. Now here question number 9 is the integral sec square x dx upon root 10 square x plus 4. Here this integral may be written as in the standard form sec square x dx upon under root 10x square plus 2 square. Now the basic root of derivation of the very formula we have taken tan x and substitute tan x is equal to 2t. Now here put tan x is equal to 2t. Now taking the derivative of both the sides, it will be equal to sec square x dx is equal to 2 dt. Sec square x dx is equal to 2 dt. Hence I will substitute here integral sec square x dx will be equal to 2, this is dt, and this is tan square x means 2t square, because we have substituted tan x is equal to 2t, hence tan x square will be equal to 2t whole square, and this is 4, it may be written as 2 square. Now if we take common in denominator, which is under root, then if we take common as 2 square from there to turn out of root, it will become only 2. Now 2 by 2 dt, this will equal to t square plus 1, t square plus 1, and this will be the simplest form of the well-known integral. 2 will be cut by 2, this will be sec square dt upon t square plus 1, it will be equal to, again here we will substitute t in terms of tan theta. Now put t is equal to tan theta, and this derivative dt is equal to sec square theta d theta. Hence integral will be equal to, dt means sec square theta d theta, sec square theta d theta upon 1 plus t square, and t is substituted by tan theta, this will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here we may write one step more, tan square theta plus 1, this will be equal to sec square theta, I by under root it will become only sec theta. Sec square theta d theta, 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta, under root makes it only sec theta. This sec theta will be cut by this, and ultimately this will become sec theta d theta. Now the fundamental way of derivation here is to multiply in numerator and denominator sec theta plus tan theta. Hence it will become sec theta and multiply by sec theta plus tan theta d theta. Denominator also sec theta plus tan theta. Now again, for the simplest derivation, we will substitute sec theta plus tan theta is equal to u. Put again sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, if you say u, then taking the derivative of both sides, sec theta, derivative of sec theta will be equal to sec theta tan theta, and this of tan theta will be equal to sec square theta d theta is equal to du. Now this integral will be in the final step. If you observe the numerator, this is the sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta. Sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta. The numerator will be equal to only du, integral du, and the denominator, as already I have substituted sec theta plus tan theta is equal to u, this will be u. And the simplest form of integral, this will be equal to du upon u, means log u plus c. Now due to lack of space in the blackboard, we want to rub some upper part of the. Now we will start from here. Integral I equal to log u plus c. I is equal to log u. We will resubstitute the value of u, that is sec theta plus tan theta. Log of sec theta plus tan theta and plus c. Now we will resubstitute the value of sec theta and tan theta in terms of x. Now sec theta plus tan theta, here we have observed the value of tan x as 2t. If you draw a trigonometrical figure here, and tan x is equal to 2t, perpendicular upon base 2t upon 1, and this will be under root 1 plus 4t square. Square of this 2t square means 4t square, 1 ka square 1 plus 4t square. So now sec theta, log of sec theta means hypotenuse upon base, means under root 1 plus 4t square plus tan theta means 2t plus c. Now again we will resubstitute the value of t, because we have here substituted t is equal to tan, here in previous assumption substitution, we have taken here tan square theta plus 1. So, and this will be, now here you have substituted tan theta is equal to t, not x, then you may write here this t, and this will become 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. So now this will be equal to 1 plus t square plus tan t by 1. This is, and now again we will substitute 1 plus t. T means 1, t means tan 2x. Here we will again write log of under root 1 plus t means tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 square, and this is tan x by 2. Now this will become log of, if you take square of this will be equal to tan square x by 4, 4 into 1 by 4. This is equal to under root tan square x plus 4. Tan square x plus 4, and here tan x upon 2 under root 2 chi square. Both denominator will be equal to 2 plus c. Now this becomes log m upon log n, 2. It will become log of under root tan square x plus 4 plus tan x minus log 2 plus c, minus log 2 plus c, and this minus log 2 plus c will be another constant c1, you may say. Here we will last, this will be log of tan square x plus 4 under root tan square x plus 4 plus tan x, and this will be another constant c1. This will be the requisite integral of the integral under question number 9. In the continuance of previous question, we will try to integrate the question number 10, in which integral I is equal to dx upon x square plus 2x plus 2. First of all, here we will regulate this denominator into formal standard form. This will become dx upon x square 2x plus 1 plus 1. This 2 will be bifurcate in two parts. Here, in order to take it perfect square, we will here write x square 2x plus 1, and this is left 1. Now this is dx upon x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square plus 1 means 1 square, and now for derivation method we will put here x plus 1 is equal to tan t. Put x plus 1 is equal to tan t. Now the derivative of x plus 1 will be equal to dx plus 0. This is sec square t dt. Now I will write here dx means sec square t dt. Sec square t dt, and now in the denominator we have this is equal to t square. Now we have written, substituted here x plus 1 upon tan t. This will be tan square t. Tan square t, and this will be equal to 1. Now sec square t dt and denominator 1 plus tan square t will be equal to sec square t, and under root means only sec t. Sec t, this will be cut by this, and now here it is left only sec t dt, and from here now we will follow the usual formula, that is by multiplying numerator and denominator by sec t plus tan t. We have sec t multiply by sec t plus tan t, and denominator sec t plus tan t dt. Now again we will substitute sec t plus tan t is equal to, put sec t plus tan t is equal to u, the derivative of both hand sides, sec t tan t, and that of tan t will be equal to sec square t dt is equal to du. Very simply we will have this part of numerator sec into sec t, sec t, sec t, sec square t, and this multiplication will be equal to sec t tan t, dt will be equal to du. The whole numerator will convert into du, and denominator will be equal to u. By the simplest form of integral, du upon u is equal to log u plus c, and log u means log sec t plus tan t, sec t plus tan t plus c. Now sec t, here we have substituted x plus 1 is equal to tan t by using a trigonometrical angle tan t. Tan t means x plus 1, tan t means x plus 1 upon 1, and this will be equal to x plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now we will write here log of sec t. Sec t means hypotenuse upon the base, that is under root x plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square plus 1, x plus 1 whole square plus 1. This will become sec t, and what about tan t? Tan t means x plus 1 upon 1, x plus 1 plus c. Most clearly we will write this log x plus 1 whole square, x square 2x plus 1 and plus 1 2 हो जाएगा, तो this will become x square plus 2x plus 2 and tan t means this will become x plus sec t plus tan t. This will be sec t and this will be tan t means x plus 1. This will be equal to sec t plus tan t. तो log sec t plus tan t, sec t plus tan t means x plus 1 plus constant c. This will be the requisite answer of the integral. So we have committed a mistake. This will be under root and this will be under root and plus this. Thanks. Thank you for watching this video. If you have a clear concept from the deriving the original formula in the exercise also, you must comment, like and subscribe the video. Thanks.